Hello students, welcome to class 6 subject math chapter simplification, and it's me MD Altaf Hussain. So today we are going to discuss about simplification. So before discussion I want to discuss one very familiar rule, that is both mass, and here every letter are representing a different meaning. Here B means brackets, and B for brackets, O for off, and D for divide, M for multiplication. And A for addition, S for subtraction. So these all are the meaning of this BODMAS. So now bracket also have four type of category. So these four brackets are written here. So first we have to see the bar. If it is bar symbol is there in the given question, so that bar symbol work will be first, then the first bracket, then second bracket, and this third bracket. So this symbol name is bar or vinculum, and this one is called round brackets or small brackets or parenthesis. Then this is called second bracket or curly bracket or braces. Then this is called square bracket or big brackets. Square brackets or big brackets. So this one is bar or vinculum, parenthesis, then braces, square brackets or big brackets. So we in this here bar is the first, we have to do the bar work, then the first bracket or parenthesis, then braces, then square bracket. So now we will check one simplification as an example where all the things are given. Suppose the question is simplify. What we have to simplify? 27 18 minus 16 5 minus 4 minus 1. So this will give you 18 minus 16, and here 5 minus 4 minus 1 is again give you, here it will be common and this will be 5 again. 4 and 1, if you subtract or if you remove this, so you will get 4 plus 1. So what we got inside the first bracket we got 6 minus 4 is 2. Then 18 minus 4 is 4, and this is 23. Now next question we will check similar way, that is again a simplification. So here we will write all the mixed fraction in improper fraction. Then in next line we will do this vinculum or bar symbol work. So what we will get here? Here we will get 6 minus, so this will give us 2 by 6, that means 1 by 3. Now solve this one. So here we will get 6, so 9 minus 2, so this will give us 15 by 2. Then 15 by 2, 9 by 4, 12, so 15 minus 7, so 15 by 2, and this will be 9 by 4 into 12 by 8. So we got here 15 by 2 minus 27 by 8. 60 minus 27 by 8. So 33 by 8 is the answer. Now see square root. How do you find out square root? Suppose 4 is there. What will be its square root? So first factorize this one. If any number is written 2 times, so for that you have to write 1 time only. and bracket will be removed. Similarly, if it is written 9, so square root of 9, how do you find out? You have to write 9 in prime factorization, then for two numbers one number will be there and this square root will be removed. So similarly we will do 36, so it will give us 36. Factorize this one. So we are getting 2 into 2, 3 into 3. Here for these 2 we will get 2 only, and for these 3 we will get 3 only, 6. Now 64. For 64, so how many 2's are there? Total we have 6 2's. So write down, and for each pair we will get 1 2 outside the bracket, outside this root will removed here. So we got 8. So 8 is the answer. So now do some more simplification from the test paper. Suppose the question is given, simplify 36 minus 18 minus 14, 15 minus 4 divided by 2 cross 2. So we have to remember Bodmas rule. So in Bodmas rule, first bracket work. So first bracket is there, so whatever number is there outside the first bracket, write down as it is, and inside the first bracket we have division, subtraction, multiplication. So here we have seen that in Bodmas rule division is first, so we have to do the division first. So here we will get 15 minus 4 by 2 is 2 into 2. So now we will get 36 minus 18 minus 14, then this multiplication will be there, 15 minus 4, so 36 minus 18, then 14 minus 15 minus 4 is 11, 14 minus 11 is 3. So 36 minus 15 equal to 21. So 21 is the answer. So one more problem we will solve, which is also a simplification. Suppose 100 into 10 minus 100 plus 2000 divided by 100 is there, and we have to simplify this. So this will, first we have to do, write down Bodmas rule somewhere and try to find out bracket is there or not, off is there or not, divide is there or not. Divide is there, so do the division first. Do the division first. So whatever is there, write as it is. So this will be G2 0 cancel, so 20, and here after that do the multiplication. So that is 1000. Now write down 1020, that is 1020. Then write down 920. So hope students you understood. So thank you, have a nice day.